Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. Somebody asked me about experimental features in Microsoft Edge. And of course, this is not just a Edge thing. You have experimental features in several types of browsers, including Google Chrome. But the main question was, where do I get to these experimental features? Is there a way for me to easily go and check them out and then decide if I want to turn some on or off? Now, I'm going to show you where to go. Just one word of caution: playing with features that are experimental means they're not necessarily finished yet, and maybe they could be buggy. So remember which ones you turned on or off when you actually use the browser, so that you'll be able to actually get into these features. So when you actually go on the Edge browser, simply go at the top of the address bar. Here, just type Edge //flags. So this, once entered, and I'll put the link in the description below so that you can actually just click on the link and it's going to bring you to that page. This actually will give you all the features that you have on the browser. And if you are an insider for the Edge browser like I am, so that's why I have an Edge Dev, an Edge Canary, and so on, you have features on some of these that are not available on the standard version. And here you will have all the different Edge flags that are in here. A lot of experimental stuff that is available for you. So that, when you actually look, will have either enabled, disabled, and some features might have other choices, but most of them is enabled or disabled. And so what I recommend is, if you do go and play with these features, enable them once at a time, play around with your browser, see if it works well, no bugs, anything. If everything seems okay, maybe you can go and turn on other features. But don't turn a bunch of them together on, because you won't know which one is causing a problem if you have issues. The good news is you can reset all. Reset all will actually put all the flags at the default level that they were supposed to be. So this is where you need to go in Edge to actually see all the experimental features, and there's quite a lot of them. The list is probably pretty long. And in the second part of the question, of course, I was asked, are there some that I would recommend that I could talk about? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go through these flags and these experimental features and see which ones could be of interest on the Edge browser for some of you. So this is the way that it is, and you of course can, like you say, turn it on, off. I have the default, which it depends on also the browser. Some of the defaults are on, some are off, enabled or disabled. So check it out if you want, but be careful and don't put yourself in a situation where your browser doesn't work anymore. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching my videos.